What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another mall unboxing and review video. This time we have the Imua 1 Southwest 737 MAX 8 by NG Models. Can't tell you how excited I am to have this. This is probably one of the best looking paint schemes and like one of the craziest, I'd say, that I've seen, and that in terms of models that I have. This looks fantastic, and I'm super excited to have this in my collection. So let's get started. Here's the box. Registration is 8710 Mike. Fantastic job by NG. The box art looks really good, really cool. And let's get into it here. Get the card, take that out. There's the model. Oh boy. Alrighty. Alright, here we go, guys. Looking real good. Very excited for this. I know this model's been out for a little while now, but I finally got it. And, I've had it for a little bit, but finally getting around to doing a review of it here. And here we have it. Wow. This looks fantastic. Alrighty, guys, so let's get on into it. Here's the model. First off, let's just take a look at that. Let's just take in the beauty of it. Looks absolutely incredible. They've done a fantastic job. Whew, alrighty. So, wow, I just love the color, the gradients, everything. It's so good. Alright, so here we go, zooming in. Cockpit area looking really good with the name right there, Imua 1. Got the gear door, 8710 E-tops, and the gear looking really nice. The L1 door with the little Southwest heart. Then you got, so starting off here, we have the blue, which is the Lokai, sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong, which stands for Unity. So that's all this area right here. Then we're moving along. We have Imua, which is the name of the aircraft, but this is this area right here, and that stands for forward. And then as we move along, we're going to the sort of waves right there, and that is Kai, which stands for the ocean. So naturally, that's why it's got the waves. And then this area here, kind of taking it down to the engines, we have Ohana, which stands for family. And that's kind of rolls over into this area here. And then, let's see, what else is there? So then we're moving along. We got the Wi-Fi little antenna on the top there. The wings look really nice. I'm surprised they didn't do anything on the winglets. I'm surprised there's nothing on them, the splits, but so be it. Good overwing exits, markings, looks really nice. The wing detail is also fantastic. And then we got the overwing exit markings there on the two little doors right there, looking really nice. Got the Wi-Fi on the top there. Surprised they didn't paint that actually, but that looks fine. Got the little antenna at the back right there. So we have the turtle, which is Hanu, and then we have, moving along into the back here, we have, let's see, what do we have? Hoku, which is a star, right here. And then we have, actually I missed, I think it was, Anai, Anna, which is land, which is in this area right here. And then at the back, it's Ama, which is support. And that's kind of like a rundown of all of them, from the front to the back, of kind of kind of what each section kind of represents. In the back here we have the registration, and American flag, Southwest right there. And that has the little, right here, it's the little E-tops and the numbers right there as well. So it looks really nice. The engines look fantastic with the details on those as well. Very nice. We could take a look at it head on here, looking really nice. NG has done a fantastic job. The print is immaculate. I don't see any issues at all. But yeah, so Southwest tail, kind of like a heart tail right there. Looking really nice on the horizontal stabilizer area and everything. And then spinning it around, it's the same thing over here. So very, very nice. Absolutely fantastic job. Excuse me, guys. But yeah, beautiful livery. Haven't seen it in real life yet, but looking forward to when the time comes, whenever, wherever. And I'm super happy to have the model of it. It looks fantastic. Just wow. Wow. A very colorful model, and that's what we love to see. And yeah. So I know this model has probably been reviewed a million times, but I hope you guys did enjoy my version of it. And yeah. So if you guys did enjoy, smash that like button, subscribe for more model unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. Actually, my bad, guys. Sorry to there's the top-down version, there's the bottom. Forgot to, how dare I forget to show the bottom. There's a little heart on the bottom there in the great details. Rolling landing gear and whatnot. Everything looks fantastic. Yeah, sorry to like just kind of, you know, change things up there, but I did forget to do the classic top-down and bottom look. So yeah, anyways guys, with that being said, hope you did enjoy. Smash that like button, subscribe for more model unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. And with that guys, I will see you on the next one. Take care.